Nicole Boyd here from wonderfullyfashioned.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to join two rings together. So basically what we're going to do is just make a ring and then do a chain and then make another ring and join that to the ring before. So today you will need a crochet hook. So let's do it. Okay. So to join your work together, you're going to need your crochet hook today. So I have the 7.5 millimeter, and you can kind of see the little hook there at the end. So cute. Anyways, so we're gonna start our third ring, and I already have two that are joined here and chains in between them. Let's go ahead and wrap that thread around your left hand. And you don't have to tape your fingers like this. It's kind of embarrassing. I dropped my razor this morning in the shower and cut my nail almost halfway down. So it kind of hurts. So I didn't want it grabbing anything. But anyways, let's actually get to the lesson. Okay, so we're gonna do 3 double stitches in our ring. Okay, so we've got 3 of those. And then I like to hold the shuttle in between my forefinger and my middle finger on my left hand. And take your crochet hook and you're going to put it through this picot here, and you're going to grab the thread from the loop around your fingers and just pull that through and make another loop. And you're going to take your shuttle and you're going to put it through the middle of that loop, pull it all the way through, and then pull the thread tight on this hand and then bring it tight on your left hand as well. And then you're just going to continue on with your double stitches. There's 1 and 2, 3. And when you need more thread on your fingers here, all you have to do is pull this thread and see how the shuttle is coming up. So that'll give you more string. Oops, I got kind of tangled up. Making it worse. There we go. Okay, that will give you more thread. All right, so now let's make a picot. And we'll do 3 more double stitches. And another picot. Okay. And then the last 3 double stitches. Okay. And then close that ring. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I would really appreciate if you guys would subscribe to the channel, like the video, and any comments you have. I would be happy to answer any questions that you have. We're starting to get into some more advanced stuff, so I understand, like, if you're not understanding something, I would be so happy to help you guys. That's not a problem. So next week, I'm going to show you how to join a ring in the middle of a ring. Did I say ring in the middle of a ring? A bead, I'm sorry. I'm going to show you how to put a bead in the middle of a ring. So you'll need a smaller crochet hook next week. And so just a heads up for that. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. Bye.